In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Tradervue Risk Reward. If you've ever felt that dollar-based results don't tell the full story of your trading, using Risk Reward in Tradervue will change that. By standardizing your performance around a single unit of risk, or R, you can compare trades of different sizes and symbols on equal footing. Here's how to set that up and read your results clearly. Start by opening a trade in Tradervue. You'll want to be on the trade's detail page, where you can review entries and exits. On this page, look for the field labeled Initial Risk. Next to it, click Edit. This is where you define exactly how much you put at risk on that trade in total dollar terms. Enter the total amount you risked. Think of it as your stop distance multiplied by your position size. For example, if your stop was 40 cents away, and you took 100 shares, your total risk was $40. If you risked $20 total, simply enter 20. Keep it precise and consistent with how you plan the trade. This number is your R, and it becomes the foundation for all risk-reward calculations going forward for this trade. From this point, every result will be expressed relative to that unit. So, a $60 profit on a trade where you risked $20 is plus 3R. A $10 loss on the same trade is 0.5R. The idea is to normalize outcomes so you're not swayed by larger or smaller position sizes. Once your initial risk is set, head over to the Reports view. This is where your journal turns into performance insights. In Reports, switch your P&L reporting from dollars to R. There's an option to select R instead of dollar. Make that selection, and Tradervue will recast your results into risk multiples. With R selected, you'll see figures like your total risk multiple, average R per trade, and other R-based summaries. These are incredibly helpful. Total risk multiple shows how many units of risk you've gained or lost across a period. Average R per trade reveals the quality of your edge regardless of trade size. Because these are scaled to your risk, they're directly comparable across different markets, timeframes, and strategies. A few tips as you review. Use R to assess whether your winners are meaningfully larger than your losers and whether your average R per trade is trending in the right direction. Stay consistent in how you calculate and enter risk so your reports remain accurate. That's all there is to it. Set your initial risk on the trade, then switch your reports to R and let the numbers speak clearly.